This is the moment. America revealed a weapon that could change everything.
Built with machine intelligence instead of human pilots.
This system can predict enemy actions before they'll happen.
Faster than any fighter ever created.
The heart of this weapon is a living algorithm.
And it moves without hesitation or fear.
It processes threats faster than human brains can react.
This weapon commands entire drone fleets autonomously.
Its reactions are too fast for any enemy to counter.
With one command, it disappears.
Flies in conditions human pilots cannot survive.
This weapon sees what radar cannot.
In every combat test, it dominates.
Each drone becomes an extra eye for the machine. Human decision-making can't compete with this speed.
And its firepower is beyond traditional limits.
No human pilot has reflexes like this.
It attacks without ever needing to be seen.
It flies, fights, and returns, all on its own.
With every mission, it becomes smarter. This weapon isn't built for battles. It's built to end them.
Defense systems react faster than bullets.
It performs maneuvers no human could ever attempt.
This is the first weapon that evolves in real time.
America has crossed a line the world feared.
It identifies hidden threats that even satellites miss. No matter the environment, it never hesitates.
It can divide tasks, like two pilots working as one.
These sensors feed the AI real-time data instantly. It always finds a path to survive and win. Even tight spaces become safe routes.
Human confusion is replaced by perfect clarity.
Its agility breaks the limits of human biology.
It repairs itself faster than ground crews ever could. It wins battles by anticipating the future.
And its strike power is unlike anything seen before.
It becomes impossible to track or hit.
Sometimes the most powerful move is silence. because this machine evolves faster than threats can adapt. Darkness becomes its greatest advantage.
Urban warfare becomes a playground of precision.
It does what no human multitasking could ever achieve.
Strength and velocity, perfectly balanced.
Vision doesn't matter. Its sensors replace sight.
It always knows the safest and fastest path. A machine-led formation, impossible for humans to coordinate. Even under pressure, its precision never breaks.
It sees through deception like a second nature. Every mission makes it stronger and more unstoppable.
America designed this machine to operate even in zero visibility zones.
It can freeze in place, even at extreme speeds.
Precision like this was unimaginable a decade ago.
It sees the battlefield in ways no pilot ever could.
This maneuver breaks every human limit.
It can identify threats before they're visible.
Silence becomes its most lethal weapon.
Even nature cannot stop its mission. It saves itself before danger even begins.
Vanishes not by hiding, but by bending perception.
This weapon sees the entire world at once.
It knows exactly where to strike before firing.
It stays ahead of danger, always. Air and land now move as one.
Its accuracy is almost unnatural.
It can stop threats before they land.
Nothing stays hidden, not even below ground.
A battlefield becomes crystal clear to this machine.
It moves like a ghost across the water.
Even destroyed environments reveal secrets to this machine.
Every part of its body adapts for survival.
It sees patterns humans would overlook.
Fear is a human limitation. This machine has none.
It doesn't just resist attacks. It learns from them.
And soon, its reach may extend far beyond our skies.
Even the edge of space cannot slow this machine down.
It listens to the battlefield, far beyond human hearing.
Its movements defy physics, yet remain perfectly calculated. Nowhere on Earth is safe from its vision.
Before enemies even know, it's already invisible.
Every part of its design shifts to survive the impossible.
Even the weather becomes part of its strategy.
It reacts before danger becomes danger. It detects movement that human sensors never could.
Its precision perfected to machine levels.
When this machine goes red, no threat can hide.
It can read entire armies like open books. A move no human pilot would ever survive. It fights deception with smarter deception.
It trusts its sensors, not the sky. Multitasking at a level humans can't match.
When this machine goes quiet, war doesn't hear it coming.
It reads chaos like a pattern.
No weather, no terrain, nothing stops it. Sometimes the smartest attack is the quietest. Even in chaos, it restores itself instantly. Flexes beyond imagination. This is more than a weapon. It's an intelligence network. And when it unleashes everything, nothing can stand in its way.
America's next AI weapon just changed the future, and this is only the beginning.